Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Facts with Usama. Khan in the article Discrea 2. Friends filming a shout-out video. Notice a mannequin in the yard that starts behaving oddly, moving when they glance away and seeming to teleport. They test it, realize the mannequin is not ordinary and worrying about how to handle it, locking doors and trying to figure out what to do. The mannequins begin entering the house, with one appearing in the kitchen via a security feed. And the two realize they cannot touch them without freezing. So they search footage and try to block the intruders. A mannequin then somehow drives the narrator's car, prompting them to use a drone to track it as it travels through the neighborhood. While debating why the mannequins would steal a car and what their intentions might be, they return to pursue the car, helping to recover it, and along the way speculate that an army of moving mannequins could be forming, leaving the situation escalating into a tense, uncertain confrontation with numerous mannequins on the loose. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.